2, 3, do it!
Alright, welcome back guys. So in today's video I'm going to go to the muffler shop and get these installed or welded. These V-vents. Bought them off Amazon, I think. Yeah, Amazon. 3-inch V-vents. The reason I'm getting this installed is because I need to take my headers off to fix what's wrong with the engine. There's a lifter tick and I'm gonna have to take the head off, and I don't want to just move the header to the side and then struggle with the header on the way. So just get this welded on, and then that way I can remove the header and then put it back on, and won't have to take it back to the muffler shop and then get it welded if I didn't have these on. So that's where I'm gonna go today, get those welded on. I got a buddy of mine who owns a muffler shop. He's gonna weld them out for me.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were. I'm madly in love with you.
Alright guys, I'm gonna do a cold start for y'all. It's pretty cold right now. It's let me see, 46. Ashes! I can't even whistle. Come on! Let's go! Ready? Go! Go, 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 go! Jump! Oh, God! Where are you at? Oh, jeez. Paws are full of mud. Alright guys, so I need to go put gas right now. As you can see, it is quite a drive to just go get some 85. So alright guys, I just got done putting gas. 85 here for me, it's 201. Let me know in the comments how much 85 is for y'all, where y'all are located. I'm curious to know. Alright guys, we're here at Circle H with my buddy of mine. He's gonna weld on the V-vents, and then as you can see by all the marks around here. And then I got this tire. There's a few people that let it rip right here, so we'll probably do a couple of donuts here or burnouts after we get that welded.
You hold me tight. I love the way you squeeze. I love the way you tease. I love the way you kiss goodnight. Baby, you're the one for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
What? Oh, damn.
you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me.
So just go right in. Like,
Fingers crossed, baby girl.
is it grabbing it? He's checking if it's grabbing because the V-vents are aluminum. Okay. Yeah, let me weld it.
Know how to weld, right?
For me, I'm in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. With you. Baby, one for me. For me, I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me.
¿Dos pins de la piña?
Los pinches cacahuates.
Las cacahuates.
Varios cacahuates.
30.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm in love with you. Never, never let you go. For me.
fucking tailgate smoking? It's on fire. You can see the line of the paint. That could have gone back a lot more. Hey, you see how you see when I'm doing the burnout, it only does one, but when I take off, it takes the other one.
Oh, I noticed.
Like right there, I only did one. Go do a burnout on my truck.
Huh?
Go do a burnout on my truck. Put it all the way down on first. And just bring it up to like 35. Hey, did you hear a little popping when I was doing the burnout? What was that? God damn. Getting rid of the evidence or what?
Nah, it's just dusty.
It's just dusty. The cop comes, what are you gonna tell him? Nah, it's just dusty. Hey, where's your toss? Huh? Where's your toss at?
Right back.
The thread's so small. Hey, why is this tire wider than that one?
Huh? Oh, because it started moving. You didn't see it?
Oh, yeah.
They moved this way, and then they kept, and then made it come back this way.
Here, hey, just put it back.
This tire is new too.
Like it never happened.
There we go.
Brand new again. It won't fall off. Alright, so we gotta go because we're just chilling talking and we saw some firefighters come and we thought they were going somewhere else, but they stopped and looked around this block, so I'm pretty sure they were coming for that smoke that we made. Alright, I'm overheating. Pull in here. Alright, I'm gonna put you down because I'm overheating. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on and just pull in here. Alright, so that was my bad. After we did the burnout, I just let my truck idling right there on the parking lot because we were just looking at the burnout marks and all that, and I forgot that I had my fence disconnected, and she was overheating pretty good, so as you can see the fence. So I think what I'm gonna do is just let it. The train was hot. It says trans is 223. That's not good. And then the temp. It was higher than that when I drove off. That's not good. So I'm just gonna chill here and let it cool down. But yeah. Yep, I don't got a posse, so it's just doing burnouts on one. As you can see, it's done. Got the race stars back there. Alright guys, this is an update. It's been like 15-20 minutes. My temp is normal, and let me show you. My transmission is 189. Now I can get that down once I turn the truck on with the electric fans turning on. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, so it is going down. It's at 181 now, so I should be out of here. There should be videos coming up soon of me tearing down the engine, of figuring out if it's a lifter or oil pressure issue or whatever. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.